Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello everyone, let us do the following question. We have given a 1200 and 240 volt RMS has an impedance of 60 into 30 degree on the high voltage side. If the transformer is connected to, if we have a transformer and it is connected to 0.8 into 10 degree, it is connected to 0.8 into 10 degree ohm load on low voltage side. We have to determine the primary and secondary current when the transformer is connected to 1200 volt RMS. We will refer to high voltage side. Firstly, we will refer to high voltage side. We will refer this to high voltage side. From the high voltage side, we will write this as ZL. Value of this can be written as 1200 by 240 square. This is potential, and high voltage side is given 0.8 into 10 degree, 0.8 into 10 degree. This value can be written as 20 into 10 degree. This value can be written as 20 into 10 degree. Next we will write value of Z input. Value of this is 60. Value of this is 60 minus 30 degree plus 20 into 10 degree. Value of this can be written as 76.4122 into minus 20.31 degree. If we will write the input current, value of this can be written as 1200. If we will write the input current, value of this can be written as 1200 into Z input. Value of this can be written as 1200. Z can be written as 76.4122 into minus 20.31 degree. Value of this can be written as 15.7 into 20.31 degree ampere. This is value for I1. Since we know that, after we will write the value, since we know that S is equals to I1 into V1 is equals to I2 into V2. So from this we will write value of I2 as I1 into V1 divided by V2. We will write value for I2. Value of this can be written as 1200 by 240. Value of this can be written as 1200 by 240. 15.7 into 20.31. 15.7 into 20.31 degree. After we will solve this value, we will get as 78.5 into 20.31 degree ampere. This is the answer. Okay, thank you.